Hello everyone. In this video I will show you 5 simple Google Sheet tips and tricks to make your work faster and easier. Here the first trick. You can combine formulas to do multiple things at once. Type this formula. This removes extra spaces and capitalize names in just one formula. Now the second trick, to split text into separate cells. Select the column, go to data, split text to columns, choose the separator, and your text will split instantly. Here the third trick, to join cell values. Use the concatenate function. Type this formula. This will join first and last name into one cell. Now the fourth trick, to filter your data. Select the range, go to data, create a filter. Click the filter icon on any column to show only the rows you need. And finally the fifth trick, to copy only the style. Select the cell, click the pen format tool, then click the cell you want to style. It copies the format without changing the data. These 5 tricks will save you a lot of time in Google Sheets. Try them out today and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.